When the doctor completes their consult, a wrap-up should be initiated so that the relevant information can be easily passed on to the admin team so they can process the patient checkout seamlessly. Within the Clinical tab, the doctor simply clicks on the wrap-up button found in the top right. The first time the doctor uses this, the item numbers will need to be searched. However, moving forward, all future wrap-ups, Gentu will provide a list of common MBS codes, and all the doctor needs to do is tick the relevant ones. In the text box down below, the doctor can also now include other notes such as BB for bulk bill only, or book in a 6/52 or 6-week review, or print out quotes, etc. Once all details have been entered, the doctor then clicks on this Send button in the bottom right. We'll now go to the appointment book where we can see the doctor's wrap-up notes within the patient's appointment booking.